If you're still relying on manual reports and weekly Excel files to make decisions, you're already behind. No real-time visibility. You find out about a production issue after the order is delayed. OEE is a mystery, not a metric. You can't see which machine, shift, or line is underperforming until it costs you. Disconnected systems. Your ERP machines and quality logs don't talk to each other. You're stuck stitching the truth together. Your team is wasting hours on reports. Every insight takes too long, comes too late, and feels like guesswork. Manual reports = manual delays. Your team spends hours compiling spreadsheets, not analyzing them. By the time reports land on your desk, they're outdated. At Addend Analytics, we help CIOs like you move from manual chaos to real-time control in just 5 days. With Power BI dashboards built on Microsoft tools you already use. No more blind spots, no more delays, just clarity, control, and confidence. Visit our website, addendanalytics.com.